Hello everyone, students. In the continuation of chapter Fibers to Fabric, today we will cover the topic jute. Here we will learn about jute cultivation, its processing and its uses. Let's see students why jute is so important. Jute is a long natural fiber that is produced from jute plant. It is biodegradable and annually renewable resource. Annually renewable resource means that every year we can cultivate jute for getting jute products. Jute is also environment friendly crop. Means when we discard jute, then it easily decomposes with the soil and makes the soil fertile. Next, it is easily available. Means jute crop is easily available at a cheaper rate. Anybody can afford jute products. Students, the majority of jute is produced by India. India is the world's largest jute producing country. And in India, see in this map, these states produce jute. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Meghalaya, Assam and Odisha. These states are producing jute. Now, let us check out some jute facts. So, jute is very important crop and it has very high tensile strength. Now, what is tensile strength? Tensile strength means that maximum load a material can support without break, and jute has high tensile strength. Second, it is also known as golden fiber because of its golden silky shine. Thirdly, jute is the second most important vegetable fiber after cotton. Fourth, when discarded, jute totally decomposes and mixes with the soil. And the fifth one is jute supports 5 million people on the earth. This industry has employed near about 5 million people who are getting their bread and butter from this profession. Now students, question arises that how does jute grow? As jute is very important crop, so and it is grown annually. Now how does jute grow? First of all, the farmers scatter the seeds on cultivated soil. You can see the seeds of jute in this picture. Jute is cultivated in warm and wet climate. It requires a lowland and plenty of water. The plant is about 6 to 12 feet high. Jute plants are cut when the flowers appear. Actually, the plant becomes hard on maturing and so do the fibers. Fibers also become hard and it becomes difficult to take out the fiber from the stem. So therefore, jute plants are cultivated when they are in their flowering stage. After harvesting, jute plants are left in the fields for a few days so that leaves dry up and fall off. Then jute stems are tied up in bundles and submerged in stagnant water and left there for few days. Now what happens in stagnant water? In stagnant water, bacteria grows easily. So the gummy matter which holds the fiber to the inner part of the stem is eaten away by bacteria. And this process is called retting. Now after that, long light inner woody stem is separated from the fibrous outer part by hand. Now after that, fibrous part is collected, then dried in the sun and tied in bundles. Now let's discuss some uses of jutes. Jute fibers are very useful in making clothes. See, we can form different types of clothes with jute fabric. These are jute bags. We can also make decoration lights with jute. Cushions can also be made with the help of jute fiber. See in this picture, beautiful hanging is made out of jute fiber. See here also. What a beautiful baskets made up of jute. We can also buy or wear jute clothes. See, the garden has been decorated with the help of jute bags. Jute is also used in having different types of furniture, different types of bags also. Jute is also used for making linoleum. Now, what is linoleum? It is type of material which is used for flooring. It is also used for making different types of sacks, decorative materials. We can make different types of articles with the help of jute. See in this picture. Even sitting chairs and tables can also be made by jute. We can also make various types of handicrafts item with the jute. Jute is most versatile natural fiber which has been used in raw materials for packaging. That's all for today. Thank you all of you for watching the video.